Welcome to MOC1 Solutions. Today we'll walk you through configuring your smartcard access control readers. MOC1 SMART readers combine advanced biometric technology with traditional card access for enhanced security. The configuration process involves three main steps: initial setup, reader pairing, and system testing. Before we begin, ensure you have your access cards, network cables, and configuration software ready. Start by launching the MOC1 Solutions configuration software on your administrative computer. Step 1. Connect your SMART reader to the network using the provided Ethernet cable. The software will automatically detect your connected SMART reader and display its network information. Step 2. Present your master access card to the reader to begin the pairing process. The biometric system will calibrate automatically, indicated by the blue facial recognition display. Configure your access parameters, including user levels, time restrictions, and security protocols. Add authorized users to the database, assigning appropriate access levels and card credentials. Define access levels for different areas and time periods according to your security requirements. Enroll biometric data for users who will utilize the facial recognition feature. Allow the system to synchronize all configuration data with your SMART reader. Verify network connectivity and communication between the reader and your access control system. Step 3. Test the system with authorized users to ensure proper card and biometric recognition. Verify that unauthorized cards are properly rejected and access is denied as expected. Monitor system activity through the real-time dashboard to ensure all functions are operating correctly. Create a backup of your configuration settings and document your setup for future reference. For multiple readers, repeat this process for each unit, ensuring consistent configuration across your facility. Access additional resources and support through the MOC1 Solutions portal for advanced configuration options. Your MOC1 SMART card readers are now fully configured and ready for secure access control operations. Thank you for choosing MOC1 Solutions.